Tom is a small business owner here in Utah with small group healthcare coverage for his employees. With a staff of 15, here's a breakdown of their premium costs. 6 single employees at $300 equals $1,800 per month. 9 family plans at $900 equals $8,100 per month, making the total premium payments for all 15 employees $9,900 per month, of which Tom pays 50%, or $4,950 per month, with the employees paying the remainder. What Tom doesn't realize is that he could actually save money for himself and his employees by choosing Arches Health Plan and disbanding his small group insurance in favor of individual policies for each staff member. Arches Health Plan is a new and better solution to healthcare coverage for small groups in Utah. With Arches, employers like Tom can reduce benefit costs and increase access to healthcare for employees. Arches Health Plan is a co-op, meaning we're a nonprofit, member-driven organization. Our network of physicians and hospitals runs statewide with over 4,500 doctors, and our goal is to work specifically with the groups and individuals in Utah to ensure they have access to affordable healthcare options. Individuals covered by Arches Health Plan typically enjoy lower rates, and with the availability of premium tax credits, thanks to healthcare reform, depending on income and family size, there could be significant savings for individuals that aren't available under group care. And because the Affordable Care Act has eliminated pre-existing conditions from being a barrier, everyone who works for Tom is eligible for coverage. Let's look at another example of how an actual small business owner in St. George and their employees can save with Arches Health Plan. With 6 employees, assuming adults aged 35 with 2 kids and a $40,000 household income per year, under a small group plan, each employee's premium would be $900 per month, with the employer contributing half of the cost. With Arches Health Plan, premiums run between $19 and $252 per month, meaning that in this case, each employee saves almost $200 per month or $2,400 per year through our individual coverage. Let's sum up the advantages of Arches Health Plan. First, for employers, save money by eliminating contributions. Maintain employee loyalty through better coverage and savings. Use savings to offer incentives like raises and 401ks. Now, let's look at employee advantages. Save money on premiums with government subsidies. Employees select their own plan and carrier. No pre-existing condition exclusions. For more information on how Arches Health Plan can create a win-win for your small business and its employees by leveraging healthcare reform to your company's maximum advantage, contact your insurance agent now to receive additional details or visit archeshealth.org. Arches Health Plan, the way healthcare gets better.